Howdy, welcome back to the Addicted Motors YouTube channel. This is another episode of the auction chat series that we do and post a few of these a week. And we're going to discuss today whether or not a car is worth negative money or whether that's possible. That's the question we're going to ask ourselves. We're looking at this 2008 Range Rover L322.2 in, I think this is Tonga green. 176,000 miles for sale at auction in North Carolina. No price posted yet, but she's seen better days. This truck, visually off the bat, is already sagging in the front. Obviously, still in air condition. Pretty low, and I believe probably too generous condition report. It's also Westlake Financial Services is going to be your seller, and I'm trying to remember if that's the SiriusXM commercial for getting you out of your timeshare. Pretty sure. Let me know in the comments whether Westlake Financial sounds familiar or not. But this, impressively enough, I think I don't know if it shows in one of these graphics. Apparently it runs, but it has all the signs of being tampered with in the worst ways. The red flags are amazing. So again, I don't know if this is purchasable, to be honest with you. First off, you look at the tires. It has 4 different tires on it. It's got scratches and dents and dings and a ripped steering wheel and all the dash lights on and cracked bumpers and leaking taillights and headlights and pretty much everything that you could, associate with a basically totaled, probably repoed vehicle. Again, including a failed or failing air suspension. And what it has going for it is it's Tonga green, and that's a reach. I am reaching for the silver lining here. Chrome grille. That is a factory wheel. It's been painted black. The wheel in the back is not. I'm assuming it's an extra spare. And there's probably a black wheel in the trunk. It does have the coffee interior, though, which I like, and I've now seen twice in Tonga green trucks. And there's your shifter boot that's been ripped up or removed. I don't know if there is an access point for the rear e-brake. I don't know what that button, whatever the heck that is. But someone has tampered with that to release it or tow it or repo it, I'm assuming. And I didn't even realize you could still get purple window tint in 2008, 9, or 10. So that is also extremely impressive. But it has a dash. It's not ripped up, 176,000 miles, so it definitely has insane chain slap, which I now know is an issue for very neglected 4.4s. The engine cover is removed because, again, it's probably been tampered with in one way or the other. Also, not a lot of coolant showing in the reservoir. It's got mats. It's got headlights, it has a roof, but this thing is worthless. This is a car that you'd probably have to pay me to remove and deal with. It's not really worth any money, besides the fact that it's green. It'll cost $5,000 to fix the issues. If you wanted to make a YouTube series about restoring it for a loss, it's going to be possible, but yeah, it's a $300 car right there. Thanks. Catch you in the next episode.